What's up everybody, today I'm going to change the bushing of the rear struts, rear shock absorber of the Mitsubishi Lancer. I'm going to change it for polyurethane. This one is this one. These are polyurethane bushings. This I'm going to change it for this one, and this one right here for this one. Now I'm going to show you the number part of this bushing if you want to know that information. So in this back comes two bushing of this, and in this one this also came with two, but I use the other two in the other strut. So in this one, this is just one in for a bag, for a package. So we need to take out the assembly. We need to disarm the assembly, because this bushing right here is going to be inside of the mount. So we need to take apart everything to put this new bushing in. So to take apart this strut, you know that you need to use these tools right here that you put in here like this, and you tight here, and the spring it's going to compress, and then you can take out this nut right here that is going to be here. So the other two I use it in the other strut, as I told you, and I'm going to show you the strut with all the new bushings later. So yes, now I'm going to change this bushing with the hydraulic press. So here I have the strut with the old bushing, and I'm gonna change it for the new one, the polyurethane one. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to put everything. And here you can see the old bushing with the new bushing. This is a rubber bushing and this is a polyurethane bushing. This bushing is still good, but I'm gonna change it because I already have everything in polyurethane. So just here's the new one and the old one. So you can see I already have the bushing in the strut, and now I'm going to put the upper ones. So now I'm going to replace these bushings right here. You can see both of them are the same. For this one you only need to take out this pin right here like this with your hand and put it in here. So these bushings are located in the mount. This one is going to be inside the mount like this, and this one is going to be up here, and the assembly is going to look like this. Assembly is going to look like this, so we're going to replace this with the polyurethane bushings. So to take out the nut, you are going to need this wrench right here. I think it's called the England wrench, something like that, and you are going to grab right here like this, and with a normal 14 wrench you are going to take out the nut. So you can see I already have everything prepared, and now with this tool right here I'm going to use it to compress the spring and put it in the strut, and then put all the mounts. So I have the spring compressed right here. Now I'm going to put this rubber mount. Just make sure that this top here is with the end of the spring. Yes, this, and then the new bushing, then the strut mount like this, and then I'm going to put the other new bushing in here, and with this thing I'm going to put it like this, and then I'm going to tighten everything. And here you can see the strut. I have everything almost ready. I just need to take out these tools to compress the spring, and it will be everything ready. So you can see I have the two struts with the bushings. You see, and here are the old ones. So yes, I have a video already on how to change it. I did coilovers, so here is how to change it in the car. So yes, I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, and see you on the next video.